Vlog smoothie!
Vlog smoothie!
It's Thursday. Since about yesterday morning, I've been feeling really sick. Just a whole bunch of sinus crap. I'm not running a fever, so I don't think it's anything serious. Just common cold. I got to sleep in this morning, so that helped out a lot. So hopefully I will get better soon, like tomorrow, because I have a test tomorrow. Amber, you wanted to know what our favorite candy was. Mine has to be Take 5. I also, of course, like pixie sticks and chocolate truffles. Basically, if it is chocolate with any sort of like chocolate filling inside, I'm probably gonna like it. Amber, I hope you get that job. I know you've been looking for one for a while. You know, I just think they would be stupid not to hire you. I mean, who would not want to hire a pineapple? Megan, I hope Weight Watchers is going well for you. And also, I hope job hunting is going well for you too. Kira, I'm glad you got to spend time with your family. It looked like a lot of fun, and your video made me really excited for snow. Emily, it was great getting to see your apartment, and you seem really happy, and I'm happy for you. And your cat's adorable. And has a very adorable name. Okay, so when I went to campus earlier today, I was able to pick up a banana. So I'm just going to look around the house and see what there is, and I'm just going to make with it what I can. Okay, first I'm going to take the banana and I'm going to cut it up into pieces.
Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she doesn't have a lot to say.
And then I'm going to add chocolate ice cream. My original plan was to make a banana split, but I only had one flavor of ice cream in the house, and I don't know if we have any toppings. That's what I'm going to go look for right now. There's fried chicken seasoning. Yum. Natural butter sprinkles? I've decided that I'm going to try something a little different. Strawberry Pop-Tarts. I'm going to take a strawberry Pop-Tart and I'm going to like crumple it up in my chocolate ice cream and bananas, and we'll see if it tastes good.
What do you want with a rocket ship? What business do you have on Mars?
Well, let's just say, Pigfarts, Pigfarts, here I come. Pigfarts, Pigfarts, yum, yum, yum.
Well, here goes. This is really good. Kira, I'll see you tomorrow. Stay sweet.